I think we're supposed to boycott Disney.
Boycott who?
Disney. This is so nice. I'm telling you guys, Peyton is like the best. So is Moose Man. We're getting Moose up, getting him ready. Maybe we'll catalog Moose Man. Pac-Man. The mayor. Yeah. Hi, buddy. I know. I don't think I realized that Peyton was, like, if I knew when we videoed him the very first time he was really good, and then Leslie bought him, but then when Dylan came and, like, evaluated him for her, like, it was obvious that maybe my staff didn't ride as good as I thought they did, because, like, Dylan made him look like a $50,000 horse. And then it became very apparent that I needed you in my life. Oh my God, yes, he looks amazing. He is like, listen, Peyton has just gotten so much better. I told Leslie the other day that she bought him, and I said, I'm pretty sure that you didn't realize you were buying an investment. Because this thing just keeps increasing in value. Moose, you're fantastic. You want to go ride down the road? Yeah. I mean, I think I'm more than safe on Peyton, huh? Not going to get bucked off on my head on the asphalt. That just happens in the arena. Did you tell him you got bucked off today? Tell everybody what happened.
I didn't get bucked off. I fell off.
You fucking did not. Okay, in all honesty, you did. He did kind of fall off. I mean, the horse bucked, but
I had a choice.
Yeah, he had two choices in life, and he took the latter.
Yeah.
What happened?
Well,
Let's hear your version, and then I'll tell him my version, because my version's always spicier.
Well, see, what happened was, I was told this older horse
Was kid safe and bomb proof. See, they always say, go to auction, outbid the buyers. That way you can just buy them yourself, right? Isn't that what people that don't like us say?
Yeah.
Except for what happens. You end up with a 13-year-old bomb-proof kid horse that yeets your motherfucking ass.
Yeah. And so, I'm sitting up there all nice and relaxed and whatnot.
Tylin's on Moose. I'm on Peyton.
And I'm just moseying on along, minding my own business. The next thing you know, he's got this signature moving.
It is his signature.
And I'm up here.
I've got horsehair in my eyeball.
I was up here.
And you were on the ground. Then you were on the ground. Does Moose go through the trail course? I have horsehair in my eye, Tylin. Will you come see if you can get it out? He's on the phone and not going to help me.
Then which one?
This one? I think I got it. I think we're good. Because you're not close enough. Will Moose go through the trail course? Because I have full faith that my trusty steed will. Even with a box of rocks. Nice job, Peyton. Good job, Peyton. Easy. Good job. And nice, boy. Is yours doing it? Good job, Peyton. Good job, my bomb-proof little friend. Come on, Moose Man. You saw me do it. Mine didn't even hesitate. Mine was a soldier. Peyton's cheering for himself with his cricket. Look at Peyton. He's like, hey, Moose, let me just show you how it's done. Do you love that Peyton is such a... Come on,
Really
Moose.
and truly, what happened was when I got bucked off, it was Jacob's fault.
That is right. Jacob did blow the horn. It was it was all Jacob.
That horse
He said buck, buck, buck.
It's all Jacob's fault.
I do blame Jacob. So Jacob was driving down the road and he was like honking and cheering out the window. And all of a sudden the 13-year-old bomb-proof fucking kid's horse that we've never been able to catch broke in half and tried to kill Tylin. So needless to say, he'll never make it online. Why can't they all? Do you like my... You get really high up here. This bridge doesn't look that big till you get up here, and it feels big, doesn't it?
I bet he'll walk over that. I don't think I can get him.
You probably could if you would follow me. My horse is so broke. Come on, Moose man. Good job, Moose. He's wanting to do it. Come on, Moose. Yes, sir. Ooh, he said that was scary, man. Come on, Moose man.
You're okay, buddy.
Good job, Moose. It's easier. Peyton's like, let me show you how. Come on, man. Peyton. Come on, Moose. Follow us. Yeah, just come through here with me. Yeah. Good job. Good job, Moose. He's thinking about it. I'm coming back. Peyton gives no shits, man. And his head, like the softer you are, just his head gets lower and lower. Moose, you never been police trained or anything, buddy? You don't act like it. You gonna lead him through?
Yep. Just gonna make it quick and easy.
Yep, so he doesn't get away with not doing it. Come on, buddy. Moose is really a good horse, and it wouldn't take very long to have him trained to do it. Good job, Moose.
I think he was just more scared about her.
Yeah, like he was real concerned about you. One thing about Peyton, he'll go over it this way too. Watch, you guys. It gets so big this way, Tylin. Just pet him. Moose, would you like to see Peyton do it again? Just for clarification that it really is not going to eat horses. He said, let's go back over the bridge.
There you go.
Good job, Moose man.
Just smell him. Smell him.
He's looking at you for comfort. He's like, man, these really are going to touch me. He said, the noodle wants my noodle and I'm not into it. Hi, pretty man. Good job. Peyton. You make it less scary, then he'll go through it a couple times and we can put it back. Good job, buddy. Oh, he said it touched him. Good job. With horses like that, they get so easy to train. You just have to be patient with them. Come on, Peyton. Hello, sir. Peyton's like, hi, bud. Peyton's trying to be here for moral support.
Not scary. Come here. It's only scary if you make it.
Look at that, big man. Good job. Peyton's like, me too. Oh, no. I mean, maybe Peyton and Sheldon look like because they're both sorrel, but they are very, very, very different. They're very, very different. Good job, Moose man. Back up. Back up, Peyton. I didn't. I was filming Moose. Sorry. Let me get out of your way. He's getting so much better. Come on, Peyton. Oh, Peyton, that's my reins. Come on, Moose man, you got it.
I know where to move this now. Okay.
Yeah, Peyton is just the best grandma ride in the world. Moose or Peyton?
Jacob says Peyton's not for sale no more.
He's not ours, he's Leslie's. She did steal this horse, though. I mean, I just didn't realize he was what he was. But that's okay. That's the beauty of buying them. I mean, I knew he was good. I just didn't realize he was amazing. So she... Just crawl up here, sir. Okay. I'm coming. I'm moving. Good job, Moose. Good job, Moose. No. Not this. This sold the first week I advertised it to Leslie. It's not ours. No, Dar, we're not going to do all that. We're going to actually make them learn. I mean, it's okay maybe to follow a little bit. Peyton is convinced that he needs to show him how. Go ahead, Peyton. Now you can go through. All right, let's go trail ride. Where are we going? Moose, you did good, buddy. Look at him.
Move there. Move.
Come on, Peyton. I kind of like my ride here. I kind of like yours too, though. To be honest, like... You can get in here. My ass and thighs are way bigger than yours. I'm a big old thick bottom girl. It's a 14 inch. You're in a 14 and a half. So let's not talk about it because you'll make me feel like, you'll make me realize that I'm hefty. I'm 5 foot tall. All the ones that are pinned for slaughter. Don't forget, you guys, that we have a multitude of horses on the ship list tonight. If anybody wants to send a reprieve, they're $150. Huh? Which way? You tell me. To the grass. So these horses right here are all still pinned. So do not forget that we do have a bunch that are pinned for slaughter. My husband is leaving in the morning at 5 a.m. But if you wanted to reprieve any of them, there are 8 eligible for reprieves. Moose is a dream too. He's just been not being ridden. He said, bullshit, you're catching me. Did you guys see we have a Frisian Percheron cross. Are you starting to like the Aztecas better the more you ride them? Yeah. Yeah, the Aztecas are good. Your horse has a fantastic big flat walk. He would be perfect for somebody that doesn't want a gaited horse, but wants to keep up with gaited horses. Yeah, he's got a good flat walk. Look at this colt, you guys. He is we'll get him up in the barn and get a halter on him. Don't forget Comet, you guys. Comet is looking for a home. He did get reprieved, so he has another week. I really like that horse that you're on. Like, I like him a lot. Go trail ride, he's fantastic. That needs to be tacked back together, doesn't it? Peyton.
You can't find his rope.
Yeah, I noticed. And opening his mouth is not how you find it. He's literally trying to figure it out. And the problem is you have to shut your mouth and roll it on the top of your mouth. He's confused. This is Moose, you guys. He is on the website. He is a draft crop. He's got gigantic feet. And Peyton is massive. Peyton is a big, big guy. Come on, Bear, get over. Hang on. I'm telling you that if people rode gaited horses, and I always get somebody that asks that, you know, all my friends ride gaited horses and I don't, and I need a quarter horse to keep up. Well, I'm pretty sure Moose is it. Because I'm on a big horse with long legs and Moose is just trucking right along. So just so you guys know, this is still our place. You can see how far we are from the barns. These are our other pens. I'm going to swap sides of the road right here. Come on, Bear. Bear. Come on, Bear, get behind me. Come here, Bear. Our neighbors. Bear. Bear. Bear, I'm fixing to send you back to Dad if you don't come on. Get on our side of the road, buddy. Peyton keeps. Bear! Oh, schnit. Hang on. Their dog is like loose. Come here, Bear. I'd hate to shoot the neighbor's dog. Come on, Bear. What did he tell her they are? His prize hounds? Poor Bear. It like ran out and ran at him and he just fell down on the ground. Like, basically like, I'm so sorry. Bear, you should have stayed at home with your dad, buddy. Come on, Bear. God. It's like a circus, but awful. Like, it's the kind of circus you want to turn into the PETAs. Come on, Bear. Come on, Bear. Bear. Get over here. Come on. Hurry. There was a lot going on there, buddy. And there's one dog. The crazy one is loose. Get over here. I hate to have to step off my horse and eat the fuck out of this dog. And here it comes again. Look. I don't mind dogs. I just don't like dogs that want to like fight and be mean. Come on, Bear. Get over here. Poor Bear. Did you see him? He just fell down. He was like, I'm very sorry. And the other dog was running off. Yeah, I don't know why I heard some growling. Bear just fell down. Like, he didn't even try to growl or fight back. He just fell down. Bear? He's only 5. And that other dog is very clearly not a spring chicken. And I'm telling you, Bear just fell down on the ground and was like, please don't hurt me, sir. That's why Bear can go, because Bear is a good boy and he would never hurt anybody. That was a lot of fucking commotion and chaos in a very small space. Like, Jesus. Yeah, but I'm not. Peyton, get out of the ditch and onto the side. Peyton's like, but I'm trying to follow this trail. And I'm like, that's not a trail, that's mud. Come on, Bear. Get in. Come on, Bear. here, Bear. Get off the road. Bear. Bear. Come on. Get over here. Bear, come here. Hold on. Let me get Bear off the road. Now, come here, Bear. Yep, get off the road. Come on. Come here, Bear. There we go. That way you're not walking down the road. Now let's go. Come on, Bear. Stay on this side. I know. He wants to walk in the middle of the road, and I just don't. I mean, dumbass. There he goes again. Where are you and Moose going? He wants to walk on the road with Bear. Well, one thing about it, they're not trash spooky. There's a lot of damn trash in the freaking ditch here. Yeah. Bear. Yeah. Probably the Indian. There's no black cowboys, huh? Is this another joke that's gonna get me in trouble?
No, I'm being for real.
And when I hear this, is it gonna make my ears burn?
No, I'm being for real.
Okay.
Dylan would never, ever, ever let me be the cowboy. I was always the Indian.
You had to be the Indian, huh?
Yep.
Well, I didn't play cowboys and Indians. I always either wanted to race or jump and set up shit and play Grand Nationals like I was gonna.
We used to set up jumps along the trail too. We would just find random stuff.
Me too.
And then we would play pranks on each other, like we'd rig up each other's cinches.
Oh no.
And we would pull the cinch and bloop.
Come on, Bear. Bear. That's right. I don't want my dog being. I don't want my dog getting in trouble. That is a tan line from today. Tell them why you have a rubber band on.
They already know.
Because you punish yourself when you're nervous.
Not funny.
Yeah, that's pretty much self-punishment, weirdo. God, I wish I had 100 Peytons. Thing about Peytons is they don't come around very often. We do have some good horses right now, though.
What's that?
It's probably like the biggest nursery I've ever seen. Look at Peyton. Peyton's like, the fuck is going on? That's a nursery. You didn't know we lived across the street, literally across the street from the nursery? My house is through there. Please don't sing slave music, my God. Were you gonna swing? Were you literally going to sing Sweet Chariot?
I don't know.
You were going to. You were going to.
I was born by the river.
Oh shit.
In a little tent.
Oh, in a little tent, my ass.
Just like the river, I've been running ever since.
Poor Bear, look at him limp. Anytime I say his name, it gets real bad. Like, I'm limping, Mom, you can't be mad at me, I'm hurt. I'm like, Bear. You know what sounds really good? Cheddars.
Cheddars?
Mm-hmm.
What the hell is that?
Cheddar's Scratch Kitchen.
Oh, hey, I've been sheltered with food because I ain't never heard of that.
Well, they have them in Missouri because we ate at one in Kansas City, maybe?
I think I have heard of cheddars. Mate, think there's one in Peyton.
My saddle is loose.
I rigged up your cinch.
I rigged up my cinch.
Oh, that poor dog.
I know. The dog care around here is disgusting. It's why when Charlie showed up, Jess was like so worried somebody would come for him. Because pretty much everybody here keeps their dogs in horrible, miserable... Hey, look at that round pen. Right there. Right back there. Like, come forward and look to the left. It's right back behind all this bullshit. Okay, now look to the left. Yeah. Completely out of wood. It's kind of neat, isn't it?
Yeah, I did. Right now with wood prices and stuff, though,
it would be astronomical. I don't even know if these people, I'm sure they have horses. I mean, I guess. I don't really know. I've only ever seen like rodeo looking stock down here, like cheap cattle. Yeah.
Bucking bulls up there.
Oh yeah, that's all I've ever really seen here is like just cheap looking cattle. I've never seen anything that looked like it had any pedigree other than maybe rodeo stock. But yeah, this is where we think Charlie came from. He was in that little open top trailer and I don't know if they just found him and put him in there and then he jumped out and came to us because they never came looking for him. No, Moose is on the website. He's actually pretty much out of time. My husband actually had thought about putting him either in a sale or, I mean, at one point he mentioned maybe even shipping him. And I was like, I've been priced a little bit high. Like, let's try to actually do good by him. Because Moose is worth a lot. I mean, yeah. See, just a multitude of weird shit.
That one white and brown cow would make a good rug.
That's about it. Peyton. The other night I said, "Hi, Lena," and all of a sudden out of nowhere, Tylin goes, "You are not going to get that started." And I said, "What?" And he said, "What did you say?" And I said, "Hi, Lena." And he said, "You are not going to call me Tylina. That is not happening." I said, "Hi, Lena." "Hi, Lena." "Hi, Lena."
She said, "Ty, Lena."
I said, "Hi, Lena the horse." I just was looking at all of the bizarre ways that people spell your name. I've seen everything from Thailand to
Tylenol.
Tylenol. Yeah, that one lady's phone kept auto-correcting it to Tylenol.
To all kinds of stuff. I've been called Tyler, Tylin, Tylenol, Taiwan.
Your horse wants to poop in the road.
That's fine.
That's what he said too. He wants to make sure they know he was here. There's a lot going on right there, huh, buddy? A lot of noise, a lot of new stuff, a lot of smells. I smell the flowers. You smell the flowers?
I don't know if you can smell the flowers.
I can.
I must have COVID. I can't smell nothing.
I can smell it all. Over the bridge. I love how he got right there where the sound changed over the... Ooh, big frog. Did you hear it? One thing about it, our horses don't care. What? Look at Peyton. He's
I
like...
came up with a bizarre idea.
What?
I want to rope an alligator.
Oh, you do not.
I do not?
Mm-mm.
Why?
They run fast. I mean, they're fast on land.
I know.
They're stupid fast. And do what once you get it on the end of the rope and it turns on you and your horse?
Take off.
Oh, it doesn't work like that. You first got to find a horse that's not alligator snorty. Most of them are super they smell. I had a horse when we were in Vinton get attacked by an alligator in the swim hole.
Really?
We were swimming horses and an alligator came out the bank, a little bitty one about 3 foot long, and that SR Red Storm Cloud, he has a scar from it.
I got no.
Look at Peyton. He's like, the fuck is going on?
I had pictures of it. I had a pet alligator and I had like 13 snakes and all kinds of stuff.
You're weird.
I am not weird. Had an iguana that ran free in the house forever.
Yeah, when I was young, we had an iguana. I won it at the state fair.
Was you scared of it?
No, I brought it home, but it got fucking big.
They do get big.
Anyway, my mom had like a shelf kind of behind the bathtub that was like a window, and she put some plants up there, and he would live up there, but every once in a while he'd come in the house and run, and he was so fast. He got to where he would whip you with his tail too.
Yeah, they get really, really mean.
Yeah. So anyway, we got rid of him. His name was Iggy the iguana. Imagine that.
Iggy, Iggy, can't you see?
Yeah. Yeah, and he would whip you. He whipped me in the face one time. So long story short, our neighbor's son wanted him, who was like 16. And
you gave it to him?
Mm-hmm.
My hips are hurting so bad.
I told you to stop
Darn.
Why did I tell you that your hips would stop hurting if you stopped going to the bar, picking up all them wild women that were just... Now, listen, if you would not do that, if you would stay away from the bar and not let them women ride you so hard, your hips wouldn't bother you.
I don't go to the bar.
You have so much white hair, but it's horse hair, but you look like you're getting salt and pepper in the back of your head.
They're probably mine.
They are not yours.
Probably so. Something's wrong with
Peyton is like probably where you like probably popped it till the nerve is stunned.
Look at all those veins.
Oh my god.
This one don't have none.
Look at Bear. He thinks he's being our protector, and then something happens and he falls on the ground, and I'm like about to jump off my horse and fist fight for him. Bear, you're supposed to be protecting us, but I don't think you're very, very protective.
Y'all don't have alligators around here, do you?
We're too far north.
I wouldn't say that. They found some in Arkansas.
Yeah, but I wouldn't want to live in Louisiana either. They were just trying to be refugees. They were out of there. There's a lot going on next to us, and the horses are super unbothered. That's nice. It's nice to have horses that are not bothered.
Too bad there's not a road that goes back that way.
I think there is. You mean, it makes a square. It's almost 2 miles if you make the square. Somebody said if you would just ride shirtless, you would find a sugar mama, but Tylin would have to, you have to lose the dad bod and the hair.
And I would have to lose the...
You have hair like a bear.
Yeah.
My friend over here has hair like a bear.
Would have to get my abs back.
Yep. I've been to the gym 2 separate times now without you.
Hey.
2 times in a month.
It's okay.
Moose.
It's okay.
Hang on, my horses. Ooh, ooh. My horse stepped on a little rock, but he's okay. Just had they're both barefoot, so you have to, when you ride barefoot horses like this, you have to have some pretty sound ones, because I've actually never been I've been left, but I've never been right, except for, I think one night when we first moved here, we were like trying to, yeah. Well, we were trying to figure out how to get back to the gas station, and we somehow circled and ended right back up at the, we ended right back up at the... Are we going to ride on that side?
I am for a little bit.
Okay. Well, Peyton's coming. All right, Moose. What the heck is that? Oh, it's a branch off of... But yes, he did get bucked off today of a 13-year-old bomb-proof kid horse that was not bomb-proof or a kid horse. It was none of the things he should have been. He was awful.
It wasn't really getting bucked off.
That horse learned that, and it was, I mean, it would have bucked, anybody would have fallen off. Like, I mean, you fell off because anybody would have fallen off of what he did.
You're all relaxed and just going along, turned around talking, and then next thing you know,
he has yeeted your fucking ass to the moon. But I mean, that one lick is hard. And he sucks back.
I could have rode it if I was expecting it.
Yeah.
I think this horse is just...
The best trail horse ever.
Too wide for my hips. My hips are...
You've said that today on several horses, though. He's not the first one. You said it on Luke. And Luke is not wide.
I did say it on Luke.
You did. And Luke is not a big guy. I guess these people have tried to farm because it looks like this was planted or something. I don't know what the fuck it is. No, that's weeds. I think that's weeds. Well, for a minute it looked like maybe they had planted something, but come on, Bear!
Bear Thompson, get your ass up here. Look, it works every time.
Him's coming. He was peeing on the pole. Ain't you ever needed to pee on the pole?
I won't mark my territory. Using your sense of humor. Oh, diggity.
Oops.
Get down.
He fell off the ditch. He said, whoops. He was just like nice and relaxed, and we just stepped right off the ditch. Ooh, I see some bramers. I see some big old bramers.
I wonder if that's a longhorn or a Wauwatosa.
Where? Probably a longhorn. Not very many people have Wauwatosis here. Oh yeah, that's just an old longhorn cow.
You're gonna hurt your feet on those big rocks.
It's trash cans, Peyton. He wanted to make sure those were trash cans. He was also convinced they were purple people eaters. Come on, bear. I will say this. As you ride around, it's pretty. But there's like a lot of junky, like people that don't take care of their shit out in the country. Maybe that's why they live in the country.
You might want to scoot up here. There's a big ditch right there.
Yep.
It's not a ditch. It's just...
Yeah, it's a trench. I think we could have cleared that. I think Peyton and I could have just...
Jumped it?
Yep, Grand Prix style. Giant weeds. Oh, Peyton. Moose gives no fucks, does he? The flowers are pretty. I wonder how they keep the plants from like blowing away. Remember how bad the storm was? Oh no, you can see where some right there have blown out of pots. Okay. Remember we had that horrible storm.
Well, gravity pulls the roots down, so I imagine that's why they got the black stuff, so the roots don't get into the soil and kill them.
Those are not planted.
I know, but the
They're in
bottom
pots.
of the thing, it's got holes in it for the water to run.
Mm-hmm.
So the roots go through it too. Come on.
Moose, you coming?
He said slowly but surely now. He's gonna calm down and
He was never not calm.
keeping up with Peyton.
That's not hard. Peyton is just a...
Oh, man.
If you go to killpinhorses.com or jtlivestock.com, Moose is listed. Moose is actually getting moved from the regular website to consignment horses this evening. So I will tell you that before we have his teeth floated and his feet done this week, I will venture to tell you to buy him now because he is going to get more expensive. Moose is, isn't he like 11 or 12 years old, I think? He's not very old. Peyton, what are you looking at? Staring off into the abyss at the cattle, Peyton? But he's 4,850 right now, and I venture to say he's going to go up to probably 65. Because it's not going to take anything to have him looking. He's gained so much weight. Tylin rode him when he first got back, and that horse has gained a ton of weight. So he will be getting more expensive and then be cataloged. Peyton's huge. Peyton's over 1,300 pounds. Peyton is massive. Peyton is a draft cross, so Peyton is massive. Peyton is a massive boy. I think Peyton, when Peyton came in, I don't remember, but the vet looked at him the other day and said he was about a 9-year-old, is what the vet said when they came and they mouthed him and did the rib and the teeth for the consignment for him. They had to do a vet check and mouth him, and he she said that with the hook on the back of the tooth, he was probably not over 9 years old. Why are you laughing?
Somebody commented on the video.
Come here, bear.
And tagged me in it.
Are you getting bucked off?
No. She said, where is it at? Oh, I gotta find it.
Come here, bear.
She said, I called you fine and all, not Tylenol.
It's our neighbor's wife. At least our neighbor's wife has a lot of sense. At least she's not a dumbass that, like, by the way, they're traffic safe. But our neighbor's wife did, like, slow down and be really generous about it, which was nice of her. Darlene, I venture to say Peyton's probably going to bring 10 or 12,000. We're going to consign him. If you wanted to make a serious ready to pay offer and you message the page, his lot is not up on the auction yet, so I hold the right to do a substitute up until he goes live. So you could make an offer, but I venture to say at auction he's going to bring 10 to 12. Are you reading the comments?
Always.
I don't. I
don't?
leave that to Heather. Yeah, I don't want to see them.
I read them all the time.
Do they ever just offend the fuck out of you?
No. Most time it's compliments.
Well, that's good.
Of us.
Yeah, because Heather's already cleaned them up.
I want to say the offensive ones too.
Oh, then you know where to find them.
Alright, we got stop time, Mace. We gotta let go way, boy.
Oh, Peyton. Yep, nobody coming that way.
We're clear.
You're clear?
Yeah.
We're clear? Ooh, somebody's drug their trailer off the old culvert there. I like that neither one of these horses are like herd bound either. Like we can both just go ride, you know? You coming? Ooh, those are pretty. Oh, Peyton, we're... Come on, Bear. Get out of the road, buddy. Come on, Bear. Over here on the other side of me. Those are pretty. What are they?
What?
These?
An Easter lily thing.
An Easter lily.
Something.
Come on, Bear. This car better slow down or I'm going to get in the middle of the road and block them so they don't drive so fast. Come on, Bear. Get off the road. Come on, Bear. Come on, Bear. Come on, Bear. Come here, Bear. Oh, Peyton. Come here, Bear. They're not slowing down. Come here. Come here, Bear. This guy is not slowing down like a dumbass. Bear. Some people just don't have any lick of sense. I was more worried about my dumbass dog not getting off the road. I mean, oh my God. I gotta fly up my nose. Oh my God. Do y'all hear what I have to put up with?
What?
I said, do y'all hear what I have to put up with? I didn't know there was a plant farm right here because I turn right here. I come down this road and turn left right here to go home. Right here. I don't ever come this way. Like I come right here and then turn left. So I don't ever turn right to see this. See what I'm saying? This back here. We live right there. See where that car just turned right? We're going to turn left. Oh, shit. I need to call Jacob to come get Bear. Because the fucking neighbors right there have all those goddamn dogs. They have like 90 fucking dogs in the road. And they chase the fucking cars. And I know they'll run out after Bear. And I will, unfortunately, have to get off and kill somebody's dog in the road. Because mine won't fight. And theirs will. You know what I mean? Yeah. There's a really pretty place right down that road. I have been down that road and it's beautiful. Tell him to come to the neighbors that won't get their dogs out of the road. See, my dog is allowed to go places and he can be in the road because my dog won't fight. My dog will just fall down and piss us. He is, Daddy. He needs you to come pick him up in the Jeep, please. He's getting in the Jeep, yeah. He'll get in my Jeep and come and get our kid, because our kid can't get beat up by the neighbors. You have to remember, Jacob, I just ran cans over. Whoops. You have to remember that Jacob is who brought Bear home. When him with little bitty Tiny.
He said, oh, they're not going to beat up Bear. Well, Bear done rolled over once.
He did. He just fell down. I panicked, and Bear's just laying in the ground upside down. He's like, here, if you're going to eat me, start with my wiener. Peyton. I was going to be nice and let Peyton get a bite, but Peyton, one bite's enough, buddy. I think Bear is a little bit big to put in the saddle with us. Well, then get off and get him.
I don't know if he's horse or...
He's not horse smart. He's an idiot. I promise he's an idiot. Come on, Bear. Bear.
Come on, Bear.
Come on, Bear's an idiot. I don't think my dog is that. I mean, I love my dog, but he's not overly... He might. You can try. Let him ride with you so they don't beat him up when we get down here. I think Jacob will be here to get him.
Jacob would be highly pissed if I roll up with Bear in my arms.
No, Jacob will be very happy.
And he'll be like, why did you call me?
Yeah, why'd you call me if you were gonna... Yeah. Why'd you call me if you had it under control? He would say that.
And then he'll probably proceed and say, well, don't call me to come and get him no more.
Bear. You know, the reason I know Jacob will come get him is because Jacob doesn't want a vet bill. And he knows if anything happened to Bear, we would be doggy life flight. I spent $14,000 trying to save Violet. I spent $14,000 to try to save that dog. And Jacob never backed up. They told us $10,000 down and Jacob wired it the next morning. He never backed down. I was very proud of Daddy in that moment. I mean, I could have bought a lot of shit for $14,000, but she didn't make it, but we tried. And that's one thing I can say is we tried. Bear over here only he got it too. He lived. Whatever they got into, he just didn't get into as bad. Come on, Bear. Between that and his toe, Jacob said the other day, he was like, we've got about 8,000 in Bear. Between his liver poisoning or kidney poisoning and his toe and neutering him. Because I couldn't have a stud dog on my hands.
Yes, sir.
Just come on down the road a little further. We're not there yet.
Tara said, come on down the road.
Just make a left and come on down.
Quite there yet.
That way, Bear's also limping. He's getting a little sore.
Down that road, right there.
Right past their house, take a left.
Right past their house, take a left, and we're down that road.
Where the people that murdered the people hid the car.
Is that you?
It better
Got
not.
the pedal?
Did you come in the gator? Thank God our horses are traffic safe. Come on, Bear. He thought you were bringing the Jeep, Daddy, with the air.
Get in here.
He's never rode in that.
Time for him to learn.
Time for him to learn. Put his little door up.
I brought him, huh?
Put his little door up.
Bear. Come on. I brought him cookies, but I ate them.
You brought him cookies, but you ate them. Come on, Bear, get in.
Come here. Double here. Come here, Bear. Come here.
He thinks you're trying to kidnap him and make him get in that. He's scared of that thing.
I go back here.
Back up. Hold on, Peyton.
Come here.
Bear thinks that that's a death trap.
Come here, Bear. Let's go.
Should have brought the Jeep. Bear said this doesn't have air conditioning. He started to and was like, I don't think so.
Come here, Bear. Let's go.
Bear, get in with your dad.
Come on, Bear. Come on. Here. Bear.
No, that doesn't work with Bear. He wants the Jeep with the AC, Daddy.
Over here. Right over here, Bear. Come on,
Oh,
Bear.
God. I can't.
Hey, he's peeing.
Oh, my horse is peeing.
Come on, let's go.
Bear's afraid of the side-by-side. Get him in the seat and then buckle his little door. Jacob's going to have to pick him up and get pissed off because he stinks. You're wet, buddy.
Pick him up, Jacob.
Put him in there. He does stink.
Shut the door, Jacob.
Shut his door. Don't let him get his butt. That's a vet bill. You'll be paying a vet bill.
He's gonna go get the Jeep.
He's going to go get the Jeep is right. In case anybody ever wondered about my husband, if he's like a jerk or whatever, you know, I hear all the time what a fucking jerk piece of shit Jacob is, and I'm like, he's a dick. Bear, get in with your dad. Come on, Bear, get in. Can I have a drink of that?
Come on, Bear.
Can I have your water?
Come here, dummy.
Oh, Bear's limping.
What's the car coming?
Come on, Peyton. You smell like dog. Go get the Jeep, Daddy. I let him ride. I don't care. Bear, you better get in. Them dogs are going to beat him up, and I'm going to cry, and I'm going to have to haul him to the vet, and I'll run him over. Bear, get in the fucking gator. Here, Jacob, you ride Peyton back, and I'll drive Bear.
You want, hold up. I kind of like Bear.
I like Bear, too. Bear's an idiot. Bear, I can't save you, Bear. No, he will. He will piss on you. He's a dumbass. Oh, Peyton. Peyton, where are we going? Peyton is trying to figure out what we're doing. Peyton is always so inquisitive about the cows. It's really cute. I don't think he's ever seen them. Look at him. Every time he sees cows, he just gets like mesmerized. The fact that Bear, get in the gator. Bear, no.
Sit.
Fucking bear.
He's not violent.
He's not violent.